Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a real brief video. This is a lucky guy.
Yes.
We don't
we don't get many of those.
in general, everything just kind of goes by the book, which means things start growing around 5 months after your hair transplant. And this half black, half Filipino tough guy came in, and we did 1,500 grafts in his crown. Here's his crown before. He had a few hairs there.
Yeah.
And then here's the end of the case. And then he popped in for me to look at his scar at 2 months and a week. And as he turned to walk out the door, I only really looked at his scar, which was fine. I said, man, that crown's already growing. And so I took this picture, and you can see it's not in front of our usual background. You can see stuff in the background. But we never see that, right?
Yeah, we did. No.
Yeah. And so it's dumb luck or early growth, one of the two. But I would expect him to look like this somewhere around 5 or 6 months out. And so I've asked him to pop back in at 6 months.
Yeah, that should be probably his final, right?
Yeah. We've had a couple of guys that grew real early, but this is really
too
exceedingly
early.
early. Yeah. He just said it never fell out and started growing.
Yeah.
So if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.